I was at the Grand Bazaar located in Istanbul, Turkey, where I shopped some of the local products with lots of people everywhere, lots of tourists and locals. I found lots of shops outside the Grand Bazaar, and lo and behold, I saw a building of Contessa Quintessa of Second Life. Next to her building is another place where lolly pants women have been posted. So I couldn't believe that my Second Life brother and sisters are here in my travels. What's the name of this? Huh?
Smith.
Smeedy?
Smith.
Smeed? Smeed? So it's just a bread, right?